Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. This is the 14th lecture of Financial Awareness series. This series is very much useful for RBI Grade B and SEBI Grade A examination 2020. In our 14th lecture, we are going to discuss initial public offer of LIC. Government has finally started the process of IPO of LIC. We will try to understand about the initial public offer and what are the issues involved with LIC's IPO, and also will understand what are the problem in issuing the LIC's IPO. So this is going to be a very important lecture for your upcoming examination. As you see in this news cutting published by Money Control, government invites bid for transaction advisors for LIC's IPO. The background of this news is Government of India had announced in the Union Budget of 2021 that they are going to partially sell off the Life Insurance Corporation of India, and taking forward they have formally announced the process. LIC is fully owned by government and it was set up in 1956. LIC is India's largest financial institution. It manages close to 31 trillion rupees of asset, and total insurance industry in India is 40 trillion rupees. So you can see that almost 75% insurance market is captured by LIC. Out of 4, 3 insurance product is sold by only LIC. The size of LIC is much bigger than 23 private sector life insurance companies put together. So you can see how important LIC is for India and government. Now it delivers all its profit to Government of India. That is the only shareholder in the LIC. Now it is going public, so there are more shareholder is going to come in the LIC. Educare 247 has launched crash course for SEBI Grade A examination 2020, and this crash course is useful for phase 1, phase 2 and interview. We are covering the complete syllabus of paper 2. We are also covering the GS of paper 1, and we are providing 5000 plus MCQs, and this MCQs is topic based. All the paper 2 topic will be covered in the form of MCQs with explanation. Our notes are very concise. Live doubt session will be conducted for the student. We are also providing some important video lessons. Right now we are running a discount of 50%. You can use the coupon code SEBI to get the discount in this course. So you will get the course in 1499. The course fee is 3000. Now you can visit our website educare247.com and subscribe to this course. Let us understand what is initial public offer. Basically, IPO is the selling of securities to the public in the primary market. Primary market is a type of capital market, and primary market deals with new securities being issued for the first time, and it is also known as new issues market. So you can remember all these important terms. It is very useful for your upcoming examination. It is different from the secondary market where existing securities are bought and sold, that you call it stock market or a stock exchange. That is secondary market. But primary market where only initial share, new share will be issued. Under the IPO, an unlisted company makes either a fresh issue of the securities or an offer for a sale of its existing securities, or both can happen to the public. So that is basically IPO. In IPO, an unlisted company get listed on the stock exchange. So that is also the process of IPO. It is generally used by new and medium sized firm, those who are looking for fund to expand and grow their business. LIC's IPO is going to be the biggest in India's capital market given the size and the scale of LIC. And Government of India is seeking some exemption related to LIC IPOs from the Securities and Exchange Board of India, because there are some restriction in issuing the IPO of LIC. So Government of India has requested SEBI to give the permission to launch the IPO of LIC. Let us understand why initial public offer of LIC is so important for the government. Basically, it will help the government to meet its rising fiscal deficit. According to rating agency S&P, Government of India's fiscal deficit is going to rise to 11% of GDP in the financial year of 2021 from 7.8% in the financial year of 2020. So you can see that Government of India's fiscal deficit is going to rise, and LIC's public offering will help government to curtail the fiscal deficit. And also IPO will bring transparency into the affair of LIC, because it will be required to inform its value and other market related development on the time to the stock exchange. So continuous reporting will happen related to market thing and market development. It will bring transparency in LIC's affair. Also it will help the retail investor, and it will give opportunity to them to participate in the wealth creation of LIC. Listing of companies on the stock exchange disciplines the company because they come under greater scrutiny. It also provides access to financial market and raising the company's value. So these are the benefit Government of India and LIC will get out of initial public offer. There are some issues involved with LIC also. Currently LIC is dealing with huge non-performing assets, and that will be a challenging issues while issuing the initial public offering. And remember that Government of India is not going to sell all the LIC stake, only approx 10% stock will be sold. So still Government of India will own the LIC. It's not completely public, it's just a partial sale. It's called disinvestment. So remember all the important point for your upcoming examination. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comment and subscribe to Educare 247 for further updates. Thank you and happy learning.